So, in this video, I'll show you how to fix PS5 controller stick drift. If your PS5 controller starts moving by itself, aiming on its own, or pulling in one direction, it's usually caused by dust buildup, worn analog sensors, or incorrect controller settings. This makes gaming frustrating, especially in shooters or competitive games. Don't worry, I'll walk you through proven fixes that work in most cases, and often just one method is enough to stop the stick drift completely. Now, let's tackle the problem. Method 1. Reset the PS5 controller. Turn off your PS5 completely. Unplug the controller from the console. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset hole on the back of the controller for 5 to 10 seconds. Reconnect the controller with a USB cable and turn on the PS5. This clears software glitches that can cause stick drift. Method 2. Clean the analog stick. Turn off the controller. Gently move the analog stick in all directions. Blow compressed air around the base of the stick. Dust is the most common cause of stick drift, and cleaning alone fixes it for many users. Method 3. Clean with isopropyl alcohol. Dip a cotton swab in isopropyl alcohol, 70% or higher. Lightly clean around the base of the analog stick while rotating it. Let it dry completely before using the controller again. This removes grime that air alone can't clear. Method 4. Update PS5 controller software. Go to Settings, Accessories, Controllers. Check for a controller firmware update and install it if available. Firmware updates can improve stick calibration and reduce drift issues. Method 5. Adjust in-game dead zone settings. Open the settings in the affected game. Increase the dead zone slightly for the analog stick. This prevents small, unwanted movements from registering. Method 6. Replace the analog stick, last option. If none of the fixes work, the analog sensor may be worn out. You can replace the stick module yourself or take the controller to a repair shop. This is usually the permanent fix for severe stick drift. And that's it. Your PS5 stick drift should now be fixed and your controller should feel smooth again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes.